everybody, my name is Amber Daniels. I currently live in Philadelphia and I serve as an investigative worker for the Department of Human Services. I investigate reports of abuse and neglect for children, so sometimes I may remove children from homes. I also do placements and, trying to keep families together. what what I've learned the most and enjoyed the most is learning about the research methods. In our last class, I did enjoy the research methods and learning how to pinpoint it and pick it apart and what's a good research method and what's bad, because I know that there's a lot of research out there and some of it really is not helpful. So the last class kind of helped me with that. I'm looking forward to learning about policies and, social work, because I believe a lot of our policies kind of hinder us, as well as I believe that some of our policies help us. Some of the laws, a lot of things, just in my profession, I can't react certain ways because of the laws and the policies that are put forth through my agency, as well as that may have been put forth through, the law and everything. So I look forward to this class and hope to work with you all soon.